In this video, I'm going to teach you how to activate SSL certificate in Hostinger. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Hostinger website. Once the homepage loads, you will see a clear invitation to bring your idea online with a website, which is the first step towards securing your online presence. After the homepage appears, direct your attention to the login area. There is a login option prominently displayed where you can access your account. Click on the login link to proceed. If you have not already signed up, take a moment to create a new account by following the registration prompts. However, if you already have an account, simply enter your credentials to continue. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home area of your Hostinger account. From this home section, you have access to various features and tools designed to help you manage your website. Look for the section or icon labeled with the word website. By clicking on this area, you will open a dedicated section for managing your websites, which is integral for customizing and securing your online presence. Within the website management section, locate the area that displays a list of your websites. It is here that you will review all the websites you have connected to your Hostinger account. Select the website for which you wish to activate an SSL certificate. Once you identify the appropriate website, proceed by clicking on the dashboard for that website. The dashboard serves as your control center, providing access to various features and settings to optimize your website's performance and security. In the website dashboard, navigate to the area that is labeled Security. The security section is where you find settings that are designed to protect your website, and it is in this section that you will manage the SSL certificate among other security features. Once you have accessed the security options in your dashboard, you will find an option clearly labeled SSL. By clicking on the SSL option, you signal your intent to secure your website with an SSL certificate. After clicking on the SSL option, Hostinger takes care of the installation process automatically. The SSL certificate is applied to your website, ensuring that your data is encrypted and that visitors enjoy a secure browsing experience. This automatic installation simplifies the process, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors that may occur if done manually. By following these steps carefully, you have successfully activated the SSL certificate on your website hosted by Hostinger. The process is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly, so you can quickly move on to other aspects of managing your online presence with confidence in the security of your website. Enjoy the benefits of secure connections for your visitors and peace of mind knowing your website is protected.